and preserve Lone Tree, Hopper, Shaka Khan, Decorah, Media, Henderson County Fairgrounds, Burlington Regional Airport, and Spring Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Henderson, Illinois. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ92 in Macomb.